Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find your nearby people or groups on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Telegram app and tap on this three line icon to the upper left corner and tap on people nearby. So here you can see the people nearby section, and inside of this section you will get those people nearby you, and scroll down and you will get here the section groups nearby, and inside of this section you will get those groups nearby you. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.